Hello, I'm trying out a new screen recording program, so you should be able to see me down here, and I am looking at some oil tankers. So here is the stock market during the financial crisis, crash, and bull trap, and now we've turned out of the bull trap and we're on the downward. So this is TK oil. And Teekay is like a big blue chip, not oil, but oil tanker company. It's cargo and oil tankers. And it's at, pretty much an all-time low. It's like $2 or $3 a share here. And it's been up as high as $65, I think, was the high over the last 5 or 10 years. So this is an idea that I heard on the George Gammon YouTube macroeconomics channel, and he had the guy from Capitalist Exploits come on and talk about coal and oil tankers. And the oil tankers right now are going to be getting a ton of business because there's a huge oversupply of oil, and they need somewhere to store all the oil. So everyone's going to use these oil tankers to store oil long term instead of just shipping it around. They're going to use it to store oil. So it's like a whole new business model. The oil tankers are going to get a bunch of business. And if you look at what the oil tankers have done so far in the crash, they have pulled down as the stock market has pulled down, but not as far. And then here on the bull trap, TK just went parabolic. So I think there's a ton of upside on these, but right now we're looking at a couple of week downward movement for both stocks, and should be down for these guys. But when we find our reversal point, wherever that is, there should be another little bull trap, and it could go parabolic up again. So that is like a 2-week kind of swing trade idea. And then at the end of our credit contraction cycle, which should be 3 months to like June, something like that, then we'll get another down move. But then at the end of the cycle, there should be a 3-month up, and that should be good for the tankers also. So I'm just looking at this kind of intermediate swing trade starting in about 2 weeks off the bottom, and then this is a good up here. And then in general, I'm looking to go long gold on the ups during this crash. The Sprott Physical Gold Trust, not the GLD, because the GLD custodian is HSBC, who's one of those international banks that's in trouble right now, and I don't trust them. But it looks like gold, physical gold, the PHYS, and maybe the TK oil tankers are going to be a really good swing trade on the next bull trap. And probably, I think with the gold, I probably will not do like a call option or anything aggressive. Just hold gold on the ups, be pretty safe about it. But I might do a call option on these tankers because they might shoot up parabolic on that up, and it looks pretty good. So TK is like the blue chip oil tanker company that has a huge bunch of boats, and STNG is a pretty big company too, but they've been investing in new technology boats, and they've been losing business and just doing poorly, and they should get a big rebound. There might be more upside on that one. From what I have read. And then there's like Nordic tankers. There's several tanker companies, and I think all of them will be pretty good. But these are the two that I'm looking at as like sort of like the safest kind of move, or like the riskiest, highest upside kind of move. And yeah, I might do a call on both of those on that intermediate bull trap up move. And this is Brian Lewis with MMT Investing, and things just changed. And also, please hit the like button to help me out with the YouTube algorithm. And I think that's about it. I'm going to run out of time. It looks like I don't know how to use this program. Happy trading.